in parish. Sister, keep a show. She can't say I like her. The flies, them, they all about me can go dig up in. Our sister used me as a young little girl and she put me on every show. All when ladies saw no want go on the show, sister put me on the show and she walk me for free. Yeah, ladies are come talk about. You used to live at me house, dirty bitch. Remember it's me say, from homeless to greatness. Wicked woman. When me did a rent house, me sorry me attack all over the place. Me will go back to that. When me did a rent house, and me a go to Europe and tour, and me supposed to move out our house and go in our next house. Our house not ready yet. You have the big empty house up at Chancery Hall or wherever the place one name. And you say, what make you come pack up your things them in the room downstairs? Come remember your house the big and empty because you couldn't furnish it. You have one big empty house up on the hill there and be a dog. So everybody know how it's there. I never discriminate there now because me hear you talk all kind of things. I allow you for you go on the discrimination. Me tell myself and me pray before me come on the live. Only thing me ever do a talk truth. So me not come here for discriminate or discriminate. Me come here for talk truth and make my fans them have a knowledge of the hatred where you have for me. That's all me come on the live have to do. So me never go down in the state of your place or me not go down in this so. Me go down in the part where every time you come on live you talk about. Remember say you did live at me house. Yes. Yes. And how me live at your house, like me say me and you was friend for 10 years. And you do what you do. I'm used to send me money come a foreign come give you when you not have no money and when you can you use out your money and mine. Hey, me love him. Me not go call him name. Remember when you broke and me go to Western Union and send me money come give you? It was a friendship. We had a friendship. You cannot sue me. Me take out my money and send go to Western Union. I tell you send the girl sister name. Anybody will walk a Western Union. If you can't find the history, go look for Grace Hamilton. I think it was 2000. I wish here. I don't want to tell a lie. We come back pan it. If she come back, come say a lie. Me a blood clot tell. Because I know people walk a Western Union. I look fit. Me used to send my money come give you. We was friends. Everything you come and talk about, you used to live at me yard. Yes. And when you come out, when something like it have a couple of millions of views them, and the bad mind stuff in you, and me post the little video after me get to one look eat cause me did hungry. Oh long and now make no money and me post and say something like it have how much views. You go up on your hill and you talk about this is views. This is views and you chuck off in your pool and you throw one and tell me say me I live in a rent house. I buy houses now. I have news to tell you. I'm not homeless again. Me not homeless again. I say from homeless to greatness. I'm not homeless again. So how you feel? We could talk about it. Because every minute you come remind people say, you used to live on me yard. Used to. Now God bless me for have me own. You're not shame. And I don't have house. I have houses. And thanks be to God. Me not have to bounce about again. Amen to God. Let me tell you something. He's a Christian woman and you claim he's a woman of God. There is not 10 God over our head. There is one God above us. When I go down on my knees and I cry out to my God, it's our God. I have to be blood clot clear and give you some clarity. When I go down on my knees and I cry out to God and I say, God,